Rainy Day Farm is proud to present the beautiful Bay Roan Stallion Zippos Blue Goose. Zippos Blue Goose is a unique horse in both color and personality. Sporting a beautiful Bay Roan color, he stands over 15 2 hands tall. Goose has a great personality and a super mind. He is athletic, correct in movement, and conformation. His trainability has given him great honors in the show pen as a world qualifier in 2006 and earning a Superior Western Pleasure in 2007. Beautiful conformation, a super disposition, and a winning tradition are in his blood. Zippos Blue Goose's sire, Zippos Mr Good Bar, is an all-time leading sire in the AQHA and NSBA and producer of many world and Congress champions. His foals have over $1 million in earnings. Zippos Mr Good Bar was sired by the legendary Hall of Fame sire, Zippo Pine Bar, and out of the great mare, Tamara West. Goose is out of the excellent mare, Luv To Iron. Luv To Iron is the product of one of the best-known magic cross pedigrees ever. Her sire, Iron Rebel, is an AQHA champion, a Superior Western Pleasure horse, and a multiple world and reserve champion producer. Luv To Iron was out of ROM earner and great producing mare, Tiger Serena. Luv To Iron is a 1997 Equistat top 10 pleasure-producing mare. She is the dam of 7 foals, 6 of which were performers. Her foals are multiple point earners with over $60,000 in earnings and over 355 AQHA points.
Zippos Blue Goose, Stevens.
Zippos Blue Goose has a pedigree that is full of champions. He comes from a powerful and proven cross of some of the industry's best show horses and producers of show horses. Zippos Blue Goose is a proven show horse and his bloodline is proven. Goose is a full sibling to several outstanding performers, including AQHA show mare, A Good Luv, earner of $51,000, and Iron It Out, with over $6,000 in NSBA earnings. Goose is destined to carry on the family tradition of champions and champion producers. His size, color, conformation, and super disposition have made him an outstanding show horse and now an outstanding sire. He is producing foals that are correct, straight-legged, and with good bone. His foals are fancy, good movers, great-minded, and beautiful. They are inheriting the same willing, trainable attitude that Goose has. Breeding your mares to Zippos Blue Goose is an opportunity to carry on some of the best pleasure horse breeding in the industry. Goose is a proven show horse, comes from a proven family of show horses, and has all the characteristics of a great stallion. His foals are fancy, and he is producing a high percentage of roan colored babies. Goose is proudly owned by Rainy Day Farm and is standing at the farm in Smithport, Pennsylvania. Frozen semen is also available to accommodate your breeding needs. Please visit Rainy Day Farm website at www.rainydayfarm.com for more breeding information. Zippos Blue Goose is an outstanding individual, and we are truly excited about his potential as a sire. With his first foals already winning, we are sure you will be hearing more about this outstanding sire as his babies continue to grow and hit the show pen. Keep up to date on Goose and his foals at rainydayfarm.com.